Oh, hi, I am Tanuja here, and I am a naturalist by profession, and I have come to Sahyadri Tiger Reserve all the way from Gujarat. Big cat surveys happens once in 4 or 5 years, so all India tiger estimate is happening all across India. I got luckily selected at Sahyadri Tiger Reserve, which is, all of us Maharashtrians very favorite mountain destination. And I got this very beautiful range, Bamnoli, where right now I am put up at Mate Indoli Camp Beach, which is one of the most beautiful, most pristine and at the same time most treacherous and very unforgivable terrain. And you need to be very fit to be here, particularly as volunteer, because I have been here since the last 6 days. Our estimate started from the 10th of Jan, which will be ending on 18th. So we started work here from 12th to 17th. So 6 days effectively we have been going. First 3 days we have covered around 5 kilometers of going up and 5 kilometers coming. That is around 10 to 11, 12 kilometers every day, which again includes going steep up, walking across and then coming down. That is what we did for the first 3 days, and on the second 3 days we are doing a line transit, which is a little bit easier, just undulating ups and downs, 2 kilometers going and coming, wherein we are covering all the active and passive indirect sightings of tigers, leopards, carnivorous mammals, and herbivores, and we are supposed to take even pellets of vultures, and but unfortunately we couldn't spot them, but we did get fresh scats of leopards and sloth bears and gores and mouse deers, sambars, porcupines. So it's been an extremely informative and learning experience working here.
What's
Yeah.
your estimate about the number?
Well, the thing is, 3 tigers have come here down south from the Konkan region, and since all 3 were male, 2 females have been introduced from Tadoba.
Oh, okay.
So another one is being introduced. So she will be introduced somewhere here. So yesterday the team from NTCA, the National Tiger Conservation Authority director, had come, and the DCF Jagtap sir. So we had a meeting here. So in this area we don't have the presence of tiger. Couple of years there were some footprints, but there are no tigers as such. So they want some tigers here. So first thing is they need to first start a prey base. So eventually another female tiger will be reintroduced. That will then the number should be going to 6. But the thing is, it takes some time for the tiger population to stabilize and then start what you call
Right.
multiplying.
Yeah.
The
Great.
attempts may be successful, not successful.
Yeah, yeah.
That again takes some time.
It's a natural thing, so
Yeah.
In
it
that
happens.